There's an abandoned house at the edge of town. No one dares to enter, because those who do never return. But Ryan, a filmmaker, was different. He wanted to uncover the truth. He stepped inside, flashlight in hand, camera rolling. As he wandered through the house, something felt wrong. Then, he saw it. A door that looked untouched, unlike the rest of the house. A slow, rhythmic knocking came from the other side. Knock, knock, knock. Ryan hesitated, but curiosity got the best of him. He reached out and turned the handle. His flashlight flickered and died. The darkness inside seemed alive. A whisper filled the air. "You shouldn't have opened the door." Ryan's camera recorded his final scream before everything turned to static. Ryan was never seen again. But the knocking, it never stopped. Would you dare to open the door? Comment if you want full tutorial.